Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a MySQL container using Docker. Remember that we have created all of our services using Docker. We created a Jenkins container and a remote host container. So let's go ahead and create a MySQL container. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to go to the Jenkins data folder and we need to modify the Docker compose file. So we're going to add a new service. Remember that you can name services as you want. In this case, I'm just gonna name it as DV host. And remember that we're going to be using this name to reach this host from this remote host and from this Jenkins. It means that if I go inside of this container or inside of this container and then I try to ping this host, I will have an answer. So let's keep it like this. And now let's add a container name for this service, which is going to be DV. Let's add an image, which is going to be the MySQL 5.7 image. Remember that in Docker, images are like a snapshot, and if you have the image for the service that you want, then you have all of the configuration for that service. If you're not sure about how to find this image, you can simply head to google.com and then look for MySQL Docker, and you're going to end up looking at this page. And in here, you're going to see that the name of the image is MySQL, as you can read here, and these are the supported tags. So a tag is like version. So in this case, we're going to use in the MySQL image colon the tag, which is 5.7. Cool. And now, in order to give our database a password, we need to read a little bit the documentation and we need to look for this. As you can see here in Docker, for the MySQL image, we need to provide an environment variable which is called like this. So let's go ahead and copy this